Hello friends, this is Wendy with Love and Stampin', and I have a little surprise video for you today. I'm going to show you how to make a really cute thank you card. Now this thank you card is using the Hey Chuck stamp set that's brand new and very best occasions. Love both these stamp sets, and I will link to them over on my blog. So below the video in the description box there's links for everything. Getting my emails, shopping with me, all the things. Here, I'm also going to link to this little pouch. I already showed this. This little pouch is from Avery on Amazon, and I've put all of my embellishments in them. I actually saw this idea from my upline Patty Bennett, but then I also heard that there was, I think Julie DiMatteo is also been shown doing this. So maybe Patty got that idea from her. I'm not sure. You know, we all share ideas. That's how this works. So I'm using Memento Tuxedo black ink, and I'm going to stamp on this little nested essentials die. I did neglect to show you that die set in the video here. However, it is over on my blog. So again, description, link below video. And if you're unfamiliar with how to get to the description below my video, because Miss Deborah brought that to my attention that she's not sure how to do that, you just tap on the little down arrow below the video if you're on your phone. But I'm also going to drop my blog link right here on the page. It's loveandstampin.com. So if you go there, you'll find what you need. So here we're going to use Poppy Parade for this little chicken's little gobbler. I can't remember what that thing's called. I know the top is a cone, the bottom is something. And then for his little sprig of hair here, we're going to add Poppy Parade just to give him a cool hairstyle. His eyelids are going to be boho blue, and his body will be dark daffodil delight, and then his legs and his beak will be pumpkin pie. Now this is extremely simple coloring. There is no shading. It's just basic. Why? Because I'm going to be making, well, I should say, Miss Deborah is going to be making a bunch of these. So the way it works is I design whatever it is we're going to do, and then if it's a multiple situation where I need a whole bunch of something made, Miss Deborah takes over and makes it. So here I am just coloring in the whole chicken, and then I'll color his beak and his legs with the pumpkin pie. And again, very simple coloring using beautiful primary colors that match our cardstocks really well. Beginning June 1st, I am no longer going to require a host code when you place an order with me. Now, those of you who follow me religiously and watch all of my videos, I want to ask for your patience because you're going to hear me repeat this probably in every video for the next couple of months. The reason for that is because people are very confused by the host code. So I am just going to share a little snippet about it every time I do a video so that people understand. I am going to put a host code on my website for those that have an intense feeling of needing to use one. But I want to share with you that you do not have to use one to get my gifts anymore, and you do not have to use one for me to get credit. I get credit for your orders when you use my shopping link. The host code does not determine if I get credit or don't get credit, okay? So when you shop with me and you use my link, I'll put it here, which is shop.loveandstampin.com, or the link below the video. At the top of the screen as a demonstrator or as a customer, it'll say you're shopping with Wendy Cranford. That's how you know you're shopping with me. And then I will get credit for your order, okay? So you don't have to use a host code. My thank you gift for June for any size order is getting this thank you card in the mail that I'm making for you right now, and the cute little flamingo charm that I'm going to show you in a little bit. There's going to be a new charm every month, so you can collect them all. You can do all kinds of things with these charms. Let's go to the card really quick. The card base here is 4 1/4 by 11, and I folded it in half to make it a top folding A2 size card. The white cardstock is 4 by 5 1/4. The crushed curry strip is 2 inches by 5 1/4. And the designer series paper is delightfully eclectic, and it is 1 3/4 by 5 1/4. We're just adding Stampin' dimensionals to this little layer here and going to add it to our card. Okay, so I hope that that is very clear for everybody and you understand beginning June 1st. Well, actually this month, it's actually going to begin May 28th, but going forward, it'll be the whole month. So any time in the month of June that you place an order with me, you will get the card and the embellishment, or the charm. Okay, now if you place a $50 order or more with me, because I want to make, oh, really quick, back to the card. Here's the two differences. This is how easy you can make a card just look a little bit different, and I think that's a fun, playful thing to do. So here's the little charm. Isn't it cute? So I'm going to show you what you can do with it. I'm trying to get it to focus. And all of the charms will come on their own little pull tag like this. And I will have a new one every single month. So this month I stuck with birds. So I got a chicken card and a flamingo. But here's my reverse tweezers. I'll link to those on Amazon below the video and over on my blog. And look at, now I know if I go to a crop or I go to anything, I know these are my tweezers. They're not going to get mixed up with anybody else. You could put this on scissors. You could put it on a zipper pull, a purse, luggage. You could just use the charm on a bracelet. There's all kinds of things you could do with it. If you place a $50 order or more with me, you get to use the punch card. And the punch card will allow you to get free stamps, and you also get a discount code for my Creative Vault. So that all begins June 1st officially, and or I should say May 28th. And I hope that you're all having an amazing day. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.